Right guys, so today we're going to be making Steve's Lava Chicken from Minecraft.
Yeah.
Jake's never cooked before.
Yeah, no.
And I've never cooked chicken, so it might go really, really well.
I cook carrots.
We're going to start with vegetables, but we're going to wash our hands first, because hygiene. Oh, I lost one of my parsnips.
Yeah, it works.
Oh my god, you just...
Ready?
Yeah.
Got it! Hey! I go wash my hands, like dropped on the floor like.
I finished my parsnips, guys.
I've got more dense carrots, so it makes it more like.
No, it's just really slow.
It takes longer.
I'll help you out,
Yeah, help me.
What, you stop eating all our food? Oh. So we've put our vegetables in, so now we're going to cut up some onions. Jake's already done his. So look.
Ready?
Ooh.
Oh,
Right,
that is cool.
My turn now.
Ah, my eyes!
Ow! I can't see. Okay. Sprayed it right in my eye, and now I'm like crying. Oh my god. I'm doing it though. Are there tears?
Yes. Yeah, like that. Maybe a bit more though. That's right, there you go.
Hey. Oh. Oh. My eyes, bro.
We're having a shower, are we?
Yeah, no, I was crying. So.
I've got a cool party trick. Ready?
Go on.
Happy, sad. Happy, sad. I've done that one.
What? I'm not even here.
That's your one there. Clean time. It's a bit there.
It's all on the floor now instead. Yeah. Right, so we've cut all the vegetables, so now we're going to do the chicken. Ew. Oh no, I put it on the...
Yeah,
We've got our ingredients to make the sauce, so we've got olive oil, some soy sauce,
pepper,
and then some honey. This sauce is going to make the lava sauce from Steve's Lava Chicken from the Minecraft.
It'll make it really lavary, fiery, and hot.
Half a cup of honey. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2. Just a little bit of pepper.
Whisk our lava. Lava! Wait.
Real lava.
Real lava.
I'm going to put on the chicken.
Wait, is it time for oil?
We put some oil.
Yeah, in a pan.
So our chicken doesn't get stuck to the pan.
Yes.
Spoon out. Why's there a spoon in there?
Oh, there's a spoon now. Cook me a spoon. Oopsies. Yeah, chickeny. It's because we're not vegans.
So we're going to cook the chicken for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to put in our lava sauce and cook it for another 5 minutes of it, and then it should be good to go. We found some more honey, so we're going to make some more lava sauce by putting just some more honey in. Okay, so we put a bit too much oil in, so I'm just going to get rid of some of it.
No.
Out of the way.
No, you can't. I think you pour around my thing, Luke. Oh my god. Not on my stuff. Quick, no. I found it. Oh, there we go. The last.
Last I'm gonna give that mix. Jake's gonna look at the vegetables, right?
No.
No.
Oh, the vegetable.
Okay, guys, the vegetables are done. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna set the smoke alarm. Okay, guys, so we're gonna cheat a little bit, and we're gonna use the microwave to do the rice. So we're making our own rice.
We're gonna microwave it because
that's a bit too hard. So
we're gonna break up.
So we've put the rice in. Well, we put one rice in. We've got 3 rices. Each go 1 minute 30 each. Our chicken's come along well. Our vegetables are done. So yeah, we're doing well.
Yeah.
Lovely. We're serving up now.
That's my bit. No, one of them. Yeah. Yeah. Put some more on.
Right, let's do that. Oh, I need some.
Lava sauce for Luke.
I'll just tip it on.
Yeah, good idea. Results.
Oh, chicken. We got bits of chicken.
Lava.
They're good. They're good. They're very, really good.
Actually, is nice.
I'm giving it 10 out of 10.
I'm giving it
10 out of 10. Yeah.
20 out of 10.
Yeah. Oh, that's not. That's not. I hope Steve's proud of me. We're dropping merch at 100 subs. You guys
100
subscribe.
subs. Be ready.
And I'll see you next video.
Next video.
Bye, guys.
I just lost my dog, and my brother taught me how to chase the bag. Get right in and feel I had to make a bag. The day he lost his soul, wish I could take it back.